Just look at this gloriousness. Hey, what's going on? This is King Racer 13, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and we are headed to Texas. I'm going to pick up my wife. It's been 6 months since she's left for the Army, and she had basic training at AIT in Oklahoma, and then Fort Sam Houston and San Antonio, and where she'll be graduating, I believe, on Thursday. Today's Monday, but I'm heading there early to meet up with some previous customers, and also, I think in this video, I'm also gonna be finally maybe getting around to put on my lift kit. I've actually got it with me in the back of the truck, just in case if I have time, extra time in between Monday and Thursday or Friday when I go pick my wife up from the base. We'll see how it goes, but I think, you know, it's gonna be a pretty good little trip, just meeting up with some previous customers and doing some networking. But anyways, I just want to say, as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I've been trying to upload more videos here recently, so hopefully y'all are enjoying having videos more often. I'm trying to put in more effort to edit more videos as often as possible, and trying to find opportunities to shoot more videos. Hopefully y'all like the last one. So now I've got two 2020s running 37 stock suspension, which is pretty neat. A lot of y'all asked what setup was on the Denali before I put the 37s on, and it was just factory suspension with 35, 1250, 20 ridge grapplers. So that's what the suspension was before. But I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Make sure to comment down below in the video, you know, what y'all think about what we've got going on. Man, I'll have to make sure maybe in the spring or something like that to make a trip just to go visit some customers or do like a hangout, or maybe like, I don't know, maybe like a mini truck meet or something like that. Let me know if that's something that y'all would be interested in. All right, well, y'all, we are still in Houston. It's the next morning, and I have found a shop that I'm gonna just drop my truck off and have the lift put on. So, is that kind of bad, or is that kind of bad that I'm hiring somebody else to put my lift on? Well, it is what it is, I guess. Step is a little higher now. I've almost got 20,000 miles on this tank. So I've almost got 20,000 miles on this truck now. I guess I'm probably gonna go over 20,000 here in the next day or so, because I've still got to drive to San Antonio to pick up my wife. But yeah, I mean, got the 3.5-inch lift finally put on. And if you're looking for a lift for your truck, make sure you hit up outdoortrucks.com and buy our 3.5-inch lift kit. Got all the drop brackets for the sway bar, the brake line extension, the radius arm drops, track bar relocation bracket, and it's got the rear blocks as well. So hopefully find a parking lot or something like that I can do a walk around where I'm going over, you know, how it rides, how it sits, and all that sort of jazz that y'all want to know about. So all right, so the truck just got done detailing, and as you saw, it's got a lift as well. I'm gonna do a walk around on it, but before I do, I'm gonna fill up real quick, put some diesel in here. Man, diesel here is cheap. Oh man, the thing kind of slower pump. now you'll be able to experience the full glory of life. Do you see how many vehicles there are? It's always packed, and especially today's Friday, too. Well, my wife is coming home.
I'm home.
Woohoo! Woo! First time riding in the truck.
Yep.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for the next video. Take care, guys. God bless America.
Adios.